You're at a social event and someone says something embarrassing. You try to cover it up with a joke, but your face turns red and you can't stop blushing. Why does this happen? What is the point of blushing, and why can't we stop ourselves from doing it? Well, blushing is an involuntary response that's controlled by the sympathetic nervous system. That's the part of the nervous system that prepares the body for fight or flight. When you blush, the blood vessels in your face dilate, increasing blood flow to the surface of your skin. This makes your face turn red and can even cause your cheeks to feel warm. But why would our bodies do this? Well, according to a communication professor and expert on blushing, Dr. James W. Pennebaker, there are 3 likely explanations. The first have to do with negative emotions, and the third has to do with positive emotions. First, blushing may be an involuntary response to embarrassment or shame. Second, it may help you appease others when you feel like you've done something wrong. And third, it may be a way of showing honesty and submission to others. In other words, blushing might be an honest signal that you're being sincere and telling the truth. According to a study published in the journal Emotion, people who were shown a picture of someone blushing were more likely to perceive the person as being honest, and in another study, people reported blushing when they felt like they had been dishonest. So blushing may be an honest signal that you're being truthful. It may also be a way to appease others. In a study published in the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior, researchers found that people blushed more when they were around authority figures. This suggests that blushing may be a way of showing respect or submission to those in power. And finally, blushing may simply be an involuntary response to social attention. In a study published in the journal Cognition and Emotion, researchers found that people blushed more when they were being watched by others, even if the people watching them were strangers. This suggests that blushing may be a way of appeasing others and reducing tension in social situations. So why can't we control it? Well, because it's an involuntary response controlled by the sympathetic nervous system. Basically, once you start blushing, there's no way to stop it. Your body is taking over and trying to calm things down. It's like trying to stop yourself from sneezing when you have a cold. You might be able to hold it in for a while, but eventually it's going to happen and there's nothing you can do about it. And yes, everyone blushes, even you. But some people are just better at hiding it than others. According to a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, people who are more socially skilled are better at controlling their facial expressions, which means they can blush and not even realize it. On the other hand, people who are less socially skilled are more likely to blush and not be able to hide it. But don't worry, blushing isn't a bad thing. In fact, it may actually be a good thing. According to a study published in the journal Personal Relationships, people who blush more are seen as more honest, trustworthy, and attractive by others. So, next time you find yourself blushing, just own it. You may think it's embarrassing, but others may see it as a sign that you're being honest and sincere. Unless you're trying to lie, then it could work against you. Speaking of working against you, one of the worst things you can do to your health is ignore the warning signs that your body gives you. For example, if you're feeling nauseous, your body is telling you that something is wrong and you should probably take a break or eat something. If you ignore these signs and push through, you could end up making things worse. That's why it's important to listen to your body and take care of yourself. Just like you wouldn't ignore a red traffic light, you shouldn't ignore the warning signs your body gives you. Do you have any interesting stories about blushing? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more fun science facts. Until next time, thanks for watching.